Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming symptoms and gathering evidence. Excessive battery drain, sudden data spikes, or unknown profiles. Open settings and tap battery to see apps using power. This reveals hidden background activity. Once done, go to General Right Arrow iPhone storage to spot oversized or unfamiliar apps that may hide malware. Then check General Right Arrow VPN and device management. Malicious profiles can give remote control. Make sure to note app names and timestamps so you can remove or report them accurately in the next steps. You now dig deeper to confirm infection versus misbehaving apps. Review each app's permissions in settings. Revoke access that seems unnecessary because permission abuse is common in spyware. Next, inspect Safari settings. Clear history and website data to remove malicious scripts and persistent pop-ups. If you want extra assurance, back up the iPhone to your computer and scan the backup with a trusted antivirus on Mac or PC. This helps detect payloads not visible on device. Make sure to keep iOS updated while you inspect to close known vulnerabilities. You finish by removing confirmed threats and restoring a clean environment. First, delete any suspicious apps and immediately remove unknown device management or VPN profiles. These often reinstall malicious settings. Once done, clear Safari data and restart the iPhone to drop transient code. If symptoms persist, back up important data and perform an erase and restore from a known good backup. Make sure that backup predates the infection. As a troubleshooting tip, if problems continue, perform a DFU restore or contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.